एवरीवन, अच्छा मैम के साथ एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी करें। तो आप रेडी हो? ओके, सो नाउ यू हैव टू क्लोज योर आईज एंड यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट इन योर माइंड। 2 मिनट्स के लिए हम आईज क्लोज करेंगे। ओके, क्लोज योर आईज एंड फिंगर ऑन योर लिप्स। ओके, बी गुड चिल्ड्रन। यस, 2 minutes. No talking, no talking. Okay, now you can open your eyes, but आपको मेरे को promise करना पड़ेगा एक. You are good children? So you have to make a promise that you will stay quiet. आप चुपचाप बैठोगे? Okay. But अगर हम promise तोड़ेंगे तो आपको पता है मैम ने बताया that you become bad children then. तो आपको promise रखना है या फिर तोड़ना है? जल्दी से बताओ. Okay, so now be good children. कैसे होते हैं अच्छे बच्चे? Very nice. Okay, now ready? Okay, so let us start. Wow, very nice. Okay, good morning everyone. I extend a warm welcome to our respected principal sir, RHM, Miss Ku Ganguly, parents and my dear colleagues. Today we are excited to present our assembly on the incredible animal world. We will explore the fascinating diversity of animals from majestic elephants to delicate butterflies. So get ready for a lively dance performance that highlights the importance of wildlife. Let's remember that animals play a vital role in our environment and we should all take a pledge to save animals. And remember, every effort counts. So let's dive into the incredible animal world. Ready? Okay. शेर और बंदर, भालू चीता, हथनी सीता, जंगल जंगल हो हाँ जंगल, चलो सफारी चलो रे जंगल।
on the beauty of nature.
Save the animals, save the earth.
I see the world, I see the land, every living creature and man. Give us a piece of the puzzle of nature.
Save the animals, save the earth.
मजा आया? कौन कौन से एनिमल्स देखे? रैबिट, वाह, ओके, ओके, अच्छा बट आप, अच्छा, ओके, 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 कम बैक, 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 ओके। तो हमने जो एनिमल्स देखे, पहले मुझे एक बात बताओ, क्या हमें एनिमल्स को सेव करना चाहिए या फिर उनको हिट करना चाहिए? Why we should save animals? हाँ, वो हमें काटेंगे नहीं, और बट क्योंकि वो फ्रेंडली होते हैं और उनको हमें बचाकर रखना चाहिए। So, leave him. Okay, now I would request our principal sir to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. So first of all, I would like to thank ROC for this wonderful assembly. I mean, a lot of hard work had gone into, and thank you also to parents for working hard and supporting us in our initiative. Without your support, dear parents, it's not possible that we can not do anything without your support. Therefore, thank you so much. I'm sure, it takes a lot of efforts and a lot of time you have spent in selecting their costume, also making them to learn the dialogues at home, and the hard work of teachers here. Goes unnoticed because they have been working very, very hard. I'm sure you must have noticed that every single child knew exactly when to enter, and they were in the sync with what was going at the back screen. So they were in the sync. So that shows that these children have practiced a lot here. Their teachers have been working hard. So thank you so much, teachers. And finally, thank you, children. I mean, they give us joy. I was sharing yesterday with one of the similar class that they are so innocent. These children are so innocent. Anything they do on stage, they give us joy. But the confidence, like in 6 months they have gained, is simply super. These children initially, they were seen crying, coming to school, settling into the school. But today, in 6 months' time, you see how beautifully they are performing and what the message they are giving us: save the earth, save the animals, because they know without the coexistence of, we need to live in coexistence with the nature, then only there would be balance. So such a powerful message they are giving to all of us. So that's simply amazing. So once again, thank you so much for the efforts put in by everyone. Thank you, Ms. Kuhu, who is leading from the front, the HM foundational stage, her entire team, all the faculty members, and the children, of course. So I request all of you to give them huge round of applause once again for this wonderful performance by the children. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Sorry, parents, you have to wait a little because this is the 5th program during the day. So it's around 10:30. So this is the 5th program I had to attend. There are many programs going on. So I was a little late because I couldn't stop. Actually, children have worked very hard in home science department. They have these presentation of different cuisines which they have prepared. Prior to that, I was in the art room where we had the poster making competition. And before that, we had the mind show here in the auditorium for the middle school. And we begin the day with the Balmiki Jayanti celebration at Senior Assembly. So sorry you had to wait, but I think it was worth waiting. These children, they were looking, they enjoyed seeing you there. So thank you very much once again for entrusting these children in us, which are giving us a lot of joy. And thank you for your patience as well as for your support to this school. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
I request Kudu ma'am to please come on stage for the photograph. What a splendid assembly we have just witnessed. Love animals and save them for the next generation. I thank all the parents for their presence this morning. You always help us and motivate us in carrying out such important events which we are able to host with our continuous support and cooperation. I would be failing in my duty if I don't mention our little champs who, with their never-ending zeal and enthusiasm, have made this event a huge success. A huge round of applause for them.